So, you've got your shiny new Infosys laptop. Let's get you up and running. Pronto. First things first, initial setup, power on your laptop, and let it boot up. This might take a few minutes. You'll likely be prompted to select your language and region. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial Windows or OS setup. Next, you'll need to connect to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or a wired connection. Ensure you have your Wi-Fi password handy. Following internet connection, you'll be prompted to create a user account and set up your password. Make sure you pick a secure password. Once the operating system is up and running, this is where you get to the real fun. Installing the company software. You'll need to install key applications required by Infosys. This will include things like your email client and potentially the VPN. Check with your team or IT department for a list of mandatory software and the installation link. Often this software is accessible via an internal company portal. Be sure to follow any access guidelines set by the company. Lastly, it's critical to set up your email and VPN. Your IT support team will provide the necessary configurations and ensure your email is configured correctly and your VPN is set up for secure access to Infosys network. If you get stuck in any of these steps, don't hesitate to contact IT for assistance.